been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it.
Alright, I'm doing a slip layer for this Jimmy Gel. I'm just doing a very small infill. My nails were not that grown out, but I want to do a tutorial, so I want to infill it just ever so slightly. Layer. Some I did take down more than others. So depending on the need will depend on the size of the bubble. Mysterious from Madame Glam. I'm gonna paint it on my pinky. I'm gonna take Sunfall from the Nail Addict, which is now called the Nail Reserve. Such a perfect fall color. I'm going to take Pinot Noir as well. I'm gonna paint the thumb. And this one has a little sparkle. I try to be very careful with colors like this, because if I'm not and I get it on my skin, it ain't coming off. Ooh, that was close. You know what, I'm actually going to take a detailed brush and come in by the cuticle. We're gonna do a second coat. And with Pinot Noir again. So I just have these, I got off Amazon, and I want to add some of these into the purple, even though there is that shimmer. I just want a little bit of copper, and I'm just putting this right into the tacky layer. I'm gonna take Millennium. Perfect. I don't know what I'm doing yet. I'm thinking about doing some stamping, so I want the background to be simple and generic. All right, I'm going to use this plate from the shadow box. So spoiler, if you haven't seen it already, I do have that video on my channel. So this is M312 from Maniology, and I'm thinking this one right there. Little trick I've learned is go ahead and prep your stamping plate, meaning just wipe it down. This is 100% acetone, and you'll have better adhesion. I mean, that's pretty cool. I like that. I wasn't sure if I like just messed it up and not just keeping that by itself. I think I'm gonna put a crystal right there. Cool, I wasn't recording. Taking the white opal, stick it, and I put a little dot in the center. I'm gonna top coat these before I do my last nail. Or so I can get the other ones are done. And also top coat them. Remember, don't top coat over your crystals. So originally I was thinking of doing a tortoise shell, but I found this glitter, and I'm gonna try it with this glitter. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna go for. Or maybe I can do a different print on here and just use this as the background. If you have been with me, you guys know I like to place my gel where I want it to go instead of just, you know, painting it on a couple layers. All right, here we go. I think these are super pretty. I think the cat eye really added something over that glitter. It's just giving me all sorts of fall vibes. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.